Hello, in this short video we will introduce you to the Wonderware Redundant Historian and show you how easy it is to set up. Maintaining data collection and the access to process data by plant personnel at all times is vital to business continuity in any industrial setting. Wonderware Historian can now be deployed in a redundant manner so that data collection is maintained and reports and data displays will continue to be available to plant workers even if the primary historian server becomes unavailable. In the past, configuring redundant historians could be a very complex IT task. That is not the case with the Wonderware Historian and Wonderware System platform. Let's see how easy it is to link two Wonderware historians together in a redundant configuration. Demonstrating the setup of our redundant historian capability is Inventis product manager Elliot Middleton.
We're going to show you how to configure redundant historians. Start with an engine and a historian and trend that are all working together and add the second historian, myhist 102. So first let's look at the first historian's configuration. It's currently collecting data from the engine and the platform. We switch over to its new target redundant historian. It's not collecting anything yet. First we're going to configure this partner, the 102 historian. And we're going to give it a partner name of the current primary historian, 101. This is a reminder that they need to be symmetric. I need to set up both of them. I commit those changes, wait for those to be applied, and then I'll switch back over to the current primary historian and I make the same change there, putting in the name of the new partner, the new redundant historian 102. Make that change, same reminder, and now I'll commit those changes. Now redundant historians are configured. If I switch back to the new partner that I've just added, it's not collecting from the engines yet, but if I wait a moment, there's the engine, and in a moment we'll see the platform start sending data here to the historian as well. So now I'm collecting data in both historians. Now I need to set up trend to recognize that there's a partner. It's only currently thinking there's a single connection. To do that I have to force a reconnect. So I can do that by shutting down trend and restarting it, or as you see here, by logging off and then logging back on to the same server. So now trend knows about the partner. Now if I overlay the original primary historian and disconnect it from the network, you'll see that the trend stops updating here. It's frozen, it's not getting data, and you see that the data rate on the historian has dropped off as well to 0 on the engine and platform tags. In a moment, a historian will recognize that and remove those from a list of data acquisition sources. And here in a second, the trend will clear. It's recognized that the historian's not available anymore. It's timed out. And now it's going to try to reconnect automatically to the new partner. It's reconnected, and now I'm getting live data out of the partner. That's how redundant historians work. You can tell what the status is in trend. If I look at the tag list, you'll see that it's currently connected these tags to the partner, whereas they were originally connected to the primary system. That's redundant historians.
As you've just seen, the Wonderware Historian offers an easy to set up redundant configuration for improving the business continuity of your industrial operations, and without the high level of IT support required by other systems. Wonderware is committed to lowering the total cost of ownership for your industrial software investments. To learn more about the Wonderware Historian, please visit our website at www.wonderware.com. Thanks for watching.